It's 2024, and a Lighthouse score can make or break your site. Even with all the speed Next.js can give you, there's one thing that can tank those Lighthouse scores: bulky images. When it comes to your site's performance, images are a big deal. Done the wrong way, your image could be the wrong format, the wrong size, or even the wrong priority. And that's before we even think about responsive layouts. Sure, you could convert each file yourself to the right size, and then save all the smaller images for different screens, and do that every time you add an image. Or you could let Next.js do the heavy lifting for you. The image component from Next.js comes with lots of great stuff to help with those Lighthouse scores. Even just taking a regular image and using the same exact parameters, we get some instant benefits. Lazy loading, decreased size, WebP conversion, but we can do even better by adding the sizes parameter. This lets the image component pick the right size for the right device. And if it doesn't exist, it creates it for you on the fly and serves it right up. And for images above the fold that don't need to be lazy loaded, we can just set the priority to true so it loads right when the page does. Congratulations on your perfect Lighthouse score. To learn more about Next.js Image Component, head over to nextjs.org/docs or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching.